Welcome to the Affincome training kit. We are so excited to have you here, and hope it will be very helpful for you. Inside this comprehensive step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer, and see boatload of cash flowing into your bank account, even if you are a complete beginner. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, more than triple what it was 10 years earlier. So there's no better time to start than right now. And you're going to learn everything there's to learn to make huge money online with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Affincome Training Kit. Chapter 1, What is Affiliate Marketing? Inside this video training, we are going to give you a brief overview of what actually is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Let's have a look. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a specific commission on every sale you make. So here is how it works. You find affiliate products. Promote your affiliate products to make sales. You will earn commissions on each sale you make. Next, affiliate marketing benefits. It works without making a product, without creating a website, without taking care of delivery, without taking care of the member area, without taking care of the refund, without taking care of support. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 2. Warrior Plus Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the Warrior Plus marketplace step by step. See you in the next tutorial.